am preparing the millet. Today we wanted to eat this with the samaki.
You make this way until it becomes clean and better. So if you leave this that way, at what time will you take them from? Inside.
Bro, sasa unapiga na test unapiga hivyo si wote kama wajita chochote. Acha.
So I'm telling you guys, today this house is going to be finished by putting the mud, you know. So we are just fixing this area for you.
No,
See, no, not small.
not small. This size is very good. Size.
This is my pocket money or a zero pocket money.
Guys, this is what, ma'am? How much that one?
This is 1K Kenya shilling.
1 Kenyan shilling. And this one?
2K.
2K. And this one?
3K.
3K. And this one?
4K.
4,000.
Wow.
Guys, this is a surprise to my mom. Good morning, guys. Welcome again. My good name is Brother Dagi. Guys, I'm in the village. I'm at my home right now. This is outside. I'm heading to see my brother. He's working here. You know, the work, you have to go. Yeah, this is the back side of the gate at my home. You know, yeah. So it's made by timbers, and it's a gate that it's simple the way it is, guys. You know, be happy, be at home. This is a village video, village life, showing you how we are living, what you are doing actually this time from home, you know. But the day is just moving in a simple way, because we have to start from here before we go outside to see what is really going on here and there. But a little bit enjoy the video. Yeah, I can see home here. My mom, she is harvesting. Have a look of this. Have a look of this. So this is what my mom is harvesting right now here in the village. Yeah, we are outside actually. The work, it's not easy, but you can see people, they're just trying to work hard. Jomba, namna gani Jomba? Safi sana. Jomba, yakiore? Hey, this is Mrdan254 official. You know, my friends, they are here. Tata, yakemore? Bingiri? Tagata wiki nita mikirunguri. Yake kaka. Amagasi ni yake. Kinyeri. Sapa kitu.
Guys, we are continuing with work here in the village, and I think today I will finish everything. So tomorrow I will be able maybe order the chief and another procedure will follow. So subscribe, like, share, and support Mr. Dan. I really appreciate. Let me work fast.
Guys, before you go, guys, this is my younger brother. His name is Mrdan254 official. From the village here, he's my younger brother. And actually we are at home right now. The work, it's just starting from this area, but a little bit I can see. I can see, guys, this is the porridge here. This is traditional porridge. storage. We call it Bosara. We call it Bosara. If you go in Tanzania, most of the place in Tanzania, they like this one. Traditional polish. This one, it's so amazing. Guys, the work is just moving on at home here. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, I can see there is the iron sheet, wheelbarrow around. Some of our friends assisting here, their work, you know. This is the work that is going on. Dani, leo ni hii siku ya hii kamera. Leo siku ni ya hii kamera. This is Mr. Dan, they need to change the cloth. Ongea na watu. Guys, have a look the work that it's going on here. There is clothes that you are having here, so we want to see if it will match with him. Let's see. But it's small for you.
No,
See, no, not small.
this size is very good. Small size.
Mom, my mom, she's around, guys. We are going to check out my mom. So this is water. Yeah, this is water here. This is the mud. Yeah, this is the mud here. People, they are just working hard here. Have a look of the work. Introduce yourself, Chacha.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Ongea na sauti Mura. Kwani ukuli ugali?
Okay. Hi guys, what's up? It's _Rama here again. As you can see here, we are actually trying to do some work here. We are trying to, what do we call this kind of, you see there are some soil here that we have mixed. We want to bomb.
You know, let me show you the work that Chacha meaning here. The work that it's going on here. Ah, copyright, zima kwanza kidogo.
Bro, sasa unapiga na test unapiga hivyo si wote itamwagika chote.
So I'm telling you guys, today this is how it's going to be finished. By putting the mud, you know. So we are just fixing this area to be nice one. Down here you can see this boy is here trying to mix this one also to make sure that that side you are going to put all of them the mud, you know, up to upside there, you know. So this is the work that it's going on here. Have a look. We have so many people outside here. So many people. Yeah. So this is the iron sheet. This is the iron sheet. And there's this one. This one, they are transparent iron sheet. The iron sheet that it will bring the brightness inside the house. Yeah? So this house you're building here, it's the chicken house. Chicken house. Every single day you will see us here working hard to make sure that the chicken that we are going to grow them here, it will grow, you know. So this place we are going to demolish. We are going to remove this place, and then we are going to make sure that down here we are going to put the gate, the place where we will enter from, you know. Yeah, this is the iron sheet that we are going to use to put at this open space. From this side you can see, so this is the mud. This mud you are going to fix at these gaps here. Tata, this is the work. Say hello, say something,
hello,
Tata.
guys. Tata, I'm very much fine.
Yeah?
Those are very much busy constructing this mud here, disturbing us this morning. So we are very much busy in fact.
But today you are going to finish, yeah?
We make sure that it's getting finished today.
Today, yeah?
Yes.
Wow. I can see. You know, when you are many people at the work, definitely you are going to finish the work, you know. So like right now, this is the mud. Inside there, people, they are so busy making things to happen. Yamboge? Yeah. This is now the engineer that is building this place, you know. Wow.
Yes, morning guys. I'm Yuli by the name. I'm the engineer here. As you have told.
Waambie unafanya nini?
Preparing here. So the other day we started this house a long time, like 2 months ago. But it stopped due to financial constraints.
Sasa mimi ndio nakufuata badili wewe ufuate kamera. Angalia kamera.
Yeah. So
Angalia kamera.
okay guys. We started this house
Angalia kamera.
2 months ago. That is it. So I've come back here. The house stopped due to financial constraints. So I've come back here.
Angalia kamera nyambo.
I'm showing them the house.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Kamera inamulika hadi mwisho.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So that's why you have come here to.
So this is the work. Kwani chacha you. Guys, this is the work that we are doing here. Yeah, we are just fixing and then we put the iron sheet and then today they are going to finish putting the iron sheet outside and then other men, they are inside, yeah, putting the mud. You know, this is the mud. This is the mud. Yeah, the mud house, you know. So this is the place where the chicken will be, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how the work is moving from this side, yeah. Yeah, this is the way we are constructing a mud house. Wow. Have a look of the work that you are doing over here. Ambia kitu nyambo.
I just think by the end of the day, everything will complete here, will be completed, and then after some times, then after 2 to 3 days, then we'll do what we call plastering, so that the house can be very strong, and
wow.
That is what will be taking place here, and after that, then the other things will follow. Bad. Then everything will complete, guys.
Wow.
So that is what is taking place here.
Wow.
And we will keep showing you. I, as the engineer, I'll keep. If any job will continue here, I'll just keep showing you, and everything as it continues.
Wow. Yeah. That is it, my people. From this side, the work that we are doing. Yeah. So actually, this is the outside. The compound that the chicken will be able to use it. So my advice, I will advise my brother to close down there, you know, so when the chicken will be able to move outside here, you know, when they're just moving outside here, eating the grass and everything, because the space is so big, I can see the space, and then the space is so enough, you know, so that we can do everything outside here, you know. So this is how things really happening here. Yeah, a little bit we are trying to manage it, the work from this place, from this side. My mom, she's around. Let me go say hello to my mom, because my mom, she's the one who making the food this gentleman to eat, you know. Yeah. So let me show you how they are mixturing these. So this is the way we are preparing the mud, eh? Yeah, like that way. You know? Yeah, this is the way. Kienyeji curry. Mrdan254. Tamureka ba? So guys, this is the work. This is the way things happening here and there. So this wheelbarrow we will be using by putting the mud inside, you know. You know. Have a look. So this is the way. My mom, she's here. Please to say hello. Mama! Amahemba kayo ka ba ay po nakakunan here.
Nabasa sana kunya wiki mutai. Yani rui mukibore tu kura bakunga.
Hati mama ne biya kuri agukora hano. Tuigo si abantu baragire.
This is the work that my mom, she's doing here.
Guys, morning I'm preparing the millet. Today we wanted to eat this with the samaki.
With fish. Wow.
So this one is ready. So take it to the
And then the dust now goes this side. You know, there is a lot of wind that is coming. So when my mom doing like this way, the wind is removing the dust from inside the millet and then takes outside, you know. So this is what my mom, she's doing here right now in the village. This is her friend here, you know.
so tired.
You are so tired.
What have you done?
I started
Sincerely speaking, what have you done? Telling
this
people you are
one. This
tired.
one is mom.
Guys, this is what my mom, she's doing right now here. She's preparing the millet. And you know, when you mixture them with cassava and then you cook ugali, it's so nice. You know, like us, like Africans, we eat ugali every single day, you know. And ugali, it's our, you know, every day we are just basic meal, our basic meal. Yeah, so have a look. Wow.
You know that my mom in this did. Just do it. Tata. Am I not a man?
Good work. Good work. Well,
Now it is green.
wow. Guys, this is the work my African mom they're just doing outside here at home. And when I'm with my moms here, I'm feeling so happy. You know, my mom, she's having her friend from here in the village actually. So a little bit they're working together there, of which it's a good thing, you know. Appreciating for the support and everything. A little bit the work is just moving on. We are going to make sure that this house for the chickens, it's going to be finished. Today we are going to put the iron sheet upside, and then we put the mud around, you know. So somehow it's a busy day, it's a busy day. But I personally, like Brother Dagi, when I'm here, I'm trying to show you the work that we are doing in the village, you know. So this is what we are doing today, and tomorrow we will show you to the next step that we will be able to done it, you know. So there is a lot of things actually that it's going on right now here at home. But guys, support us by any means, you know. So like my brother and his friend go with Jay, they just misunderstanding to each other, you know. So like in this life there is a lot of things happening in the village, but I personally, like Brother Dagi, you know, most of the time when some issues happening in the village, I do just advise people like, you know, today you are just doing this and tomorrow you will do other things. So don't put yourself in a position that you all other person you will regret like what I have done it. So when misunderstanding comes between you and your friend, and then maybe you are doing something and then you see like what you are doing, it's not going good, or like this and this not going good, just sit down and talk like brothers. Just find out the solution that you will do, you know. So like there's a lot of things happening in the village actually right now, and as like brothers we are just chipping in to give advice, you know. But when it comes more worse, you just leave it to the God, and then just leave it, and then God will fight for you, you know. So like right now I can see my brother is busy building the house of the go with Jay. He's now doing his things. Like other people that we are watching this, we are confused what's really happening, what's really going on. But a little bit for me, I'm just watching, guys, and where I can give advice I can advise, and where I cannot reach, I'm just living like that, because the way they started until right now where they are, for me for sure I don't know the agreement the way it was. But right now my brother, he's at home here, you know. Yeah, trying to fix things together here and there, but a lot of things happening for sure. That is the reality. But for me, I'm just watching, guys, you know. Yeah, that is how it is, guys. It is what it is. But every single day for me, like Brother Dagi, I cannot judge. Me, I'm just watching and giving God, because these things that we are just fighting outside here, it's only God who blesses people, because tomorrow you never know who God will bless. So for me, I'm not judging anyone, and I'm just living in a positive way, you know. I'm in a neutral way, advising each other where I can. I will advise, you know. But a little bit, just we need to have humanity in ourselves, you know. before you do something to someone, just feel that humanity. You know, humanity is everything. When you have humanity on yourself, you can do good things in your life, you know. But it is what it is, guys. That's how it is. Yeah, I'm outside here. More things is coming. I'm going to show you what is really going on, you know, here and there. Stay tuned on the channel, guys. You know, my mom, she's cooking inside. Hey guys, have a look. My mom, she's preparing the tea here. This is the kitchen. Yeah, preparing the tea. You can see it's boiling. Yeah, this is how African kitchen is looking from this side, my people. Yeah, so my mom, she's cooking there, and this is the millet she was preparing here, you know. Hello. Yeah, so guys, this is the wire mesh that we are going to put at that point, at that place, the place where there is some big gap, you know. Yeah, this is the wire mesh that you are going to put that on that place. And also don't forget that you are going to remove it, this place. Mama, ka hiya mahengere. Chai rahanga mbehe. Ni chai ko sengete kike ko tokat. Tantora makenere mama. Oh, tagotiam. This is the mixture of beans and maize here. And my mom, she's trying to cook so that we can eat, and then we'll be having a lot of energy, and then we work. You know, right now it's about working here in the village. And today the work is going to be finished. I'm going to show you the view from this side. Let us try working, guys. Guys, we are just coming from the river. Yeah, Mr. Dan is around. The work is going in a faster. Say hello, say hello, say hello.
Hi guys, I'm Wilkista. I'm from
The river.
the river.
Yes.
Yes,
Carrying water.
no.
That is the smoke disturbing you like that. That is the smoking. Yeah, this is the place where we are getting water from. Wilkista, how is life? Wow, guys, have a look how the work is just moving on. We are almost finishing upside there. We are almost finishing upside there. This is Bingiri. Mr. Dan,
Yes.
tell us something.
Something I can tell you that I am working, as you can see, the progressing of Forever Farm, as I call this farm Forever Farm. And I know,
This is Forever Farm.
yes, I know this Forever Farm will make me one day to be rich.
Wow.
I forget everything which I did in that maybe 2 years ago, and now I start a new chapter focusing on my own dream. Sometimes I feel disappointment, sometimes I feel painful, but I accept what happened and I start from scratching, but I knew I will succeed.
Yeah. So guys, this is my younger brother. His name is Mrdan254 official, and today this video I'm going to pin his link here. So kindly please, he's remaining with 22 subscribers. 20 or 22? Now it's 20, 19, yeah?
No, 19.
Wow.
17.
Wow, to reach 1,000 subscriber.
Yes.
So he's remaining with a few subscriber, like 18 to 20, you know. So if you are a new one here and you haven't subscribed to his YouTube channel,
Go and subscribe, like, and share.
That
I
is
really
it.
appreciate.
Wow.
And you can show them.
I have showed them the house, how the progress moving here at home, and we believe that the dream is going to come to be the reality, the truth, you know. So like some few days ago, there is some misunderstanding him and Go with Jay. So you know, me, what I knew, it's the project was the partnership between him, you know, and Mr. Go with Jay. But a little bit misunderstanding happened here and there. Right now he's back at home here trying to make his dream to come the reality, you know. And if you can support this young man to make his dream to come the reality, just do it, man. Make someone to be proud person, you know. For us, what we know, we start from scratch and then we make dream to happen the reality. So you can make his dream to come the reality. If you feel like you can support him with 10 chickens, 20 chickens to start, it can be a good thing, you know, because right now he doesn't have anything. So he's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So he need to start from down. So if you can support him with 20 chicken, 50 chicken, 100 chicken, 10 chicken for him to start again, to make his dream to come the reality, this is the right time, man. Just do it like never before, you know. He's my younger brother, actually. He's my younger brother, real brother. We are sharing one father, one mother, you know. And the work it's going on, you can see people, they're coming from the river, you know. Yeah, so we are a lot of people here working hard to make dream to come the reality, man. So when we come together like friends, like brothers, like neighbors, assisting each other, that is the place where we will be making a step, moving, you know.
Yes.
We are not alone. There is a lot of people here. They
Yes.
come together to say, man, you are our friend, let us help you to make your house to be completed. Have a look, like this lady carrying the he's going to the river to bring another water, the baskets. Okay, you know.
When I say the
Yeah.
breakfast and they're ready.
Yeah, breakfast are there. You can see African mom, he's there preparing things, you know. This is home. This is the place where we have gone. This is the place where we have grown, you know. And you have something to say for them?
To me, your support and help will help me to achieve my dream and continue subscribing, like, and share. I can say only that in that moment I have.
Wow. So we are at home, guys. We will show you the progress of the work that we are doing today, and then from there we will be together, guys. Guys, trust me, we have really tried to work hard to make sure that this work is going to be finished. Have a look. Have a look, the view of the work from outside. The way I was telling you that this place you are going to put the mud. Have a look. Outside the iron sheet we have put already from this side. Uncle is around here. Uncle.
Yeah, guys. Good morning.
Yeah. Greet our people, Uncle.
Yeah, please. Good morning to you people. Yeah, guys. We are trying to make a finish up for this, but still we are just making it because there are a lot of roots which are there and some.
So this is what we are just removing from inside.
There was a forest here,
Yeah.
so we are trying to uproot them.
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah, please.
Any advice do you have?
Please, we actually appreciate you people. Yeah, guys, for the good work you're doing. Please, you have more to extend your hand to us. Thank you. God bless you a million times.
Yeah, we are here. Yeah, we are inside here. So the house inside right now, this is the way it's looking from this side. Yeah, we have already put the iron sheet from outside. That one place you can see, that one is transparent iron sheet that brings the brightness inside, you know. So at least yesterday we tried to bring the materials and everything. Today you can see the work that it's really done it here. So this place, we are going to put the wire mesh from upside here, and then from here you can see the view. You know, we are going to make this place to look clean and so nice and amazing one. You know, so right now we are just removing this one, you know, because this place was having some trees here.
Yeah, we are trying to uproot it, to remove it. You know, it's a hard fruit. So we are trying our best to remove it, not to interfere with
The house.
the house. Yeah. You know, it may end up growing again.
Yes, yeah,
So,
that's the reality.
yeah. That's why we are trying to remove it. It's a hard work.
It's a hard work.
We are actually trying our best.
You can see the roots that we have removed from down. This is what we have removed from down here. But still we are continuing removing this. This one here.
This is the bigger one.
Yeah, this is the big one. Over here. You know?
You need plan A or B.
To remove it.
You see, you need to dig it from underground.
Underground.
Yeah.
You cut it from there.
You cut it from there.
Wow.
So that after that we will levelize. After we have already removed it. You know, it's a hard task. You need to be energetic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, ito ni nane. Eh.
Tukate huu mzizi.
Mhm.
Neno guys tam.
Uncle, what do you think about this work?
I mean, actually, this work is impressive. It's quite impressive. Yeah, we're getting motivated. Because after this one here, we just want to make it, put a slab down here. But we shall use a deep litter system.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the work is just going on. Very soon I see we shall have some chicks here. The weather is quite favorable. The weather is favoring us. And we actually see as we are doing a good job. Yeah, guys.
You're doing a good job.
A good job.
Yeah.
It's quite impressive.
Like I told you, you know, when my uncle he's around with me, I'm telling you the reality. Like advice you are getting from him, and then you know, uncle, it's a older person, so things it's moving slowly but sure.
Yeah,
you
you're
know.
very accurate.
Yeah, we're very accurate actually. So this is the way we are doing it here. Yeah, and a little bit, guys, more and more it's coming. So it's a hard work. In fact, you can see, you know, it's a hard work. You can see.
You need to use a lot of energy.
Yeah, you need to use a lot of energy.
So tell them because here we just use an axe. We don't have power source.
Do you have? We have the power source.
We don't have power source. We use the axe.
Okay.
Yeah, power source would be expensive to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to all mud the power source. It's destructive to the field. So we are forced to use the axe.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the way that we are doing it. You have seen?
Okay.
You have removed it. You have seen?
Katana,
Yeah. Let me show you guys.
that one.
Okay. Yenye imesinya chini.
Na niko chini.
Yeah. So this is what is going on over here. Removing that thing from that side. You know, it's hard work going on. Actually, this day, I believe that we are going to manage it to do amazing work. So let me show you the view of outside. So the view of outside, yeah, this is the way it's looking from this side, and this side you're going to put the wire mesh. Here it's the door, you know. Yeah, so this is the view how it's looking from outside. So this is the view, this is the way it's looking from outside. We are going to finish it, everything, making things together, you know. Yeah, so this is the view, you know. So this is the way it's looking from this side, and actually it's a big work. It's a big work, you know. So this is what we have done it here right now. A little bit, guys. This day, it's the day that we have been busy with friends, yeah, trying to make, yeah, you can see African mom, she is sweeping here, you know. You can see. Morning to you, mama.
How are you feeling?
Good.
And me, I'm good.
Yeah.
I thank God because He loves us so much.
He loves us so much.
Morning, our good people, our
Yes.
friends.
Yeah.
I'm so happy
Yes.
because I feel well because God loves me.
Wow.
Eh,
That is good.
nataka nimsalimie Mayugo no sana.
Yes.
Ni rafiki yangu, ninampenda sana.
Yes.
Na wote ambao wanatupenda.
Yes.
Asante.
Yeah. My mom, she's greeting everyone, you know. And guys, we have some flowers here, but they have really doing it good. So this is the view. Yeah, so this is the way it's growing outside here, you know. Yeah, it's so nice. It's so nice. So nice. Yeah. So my good people, I'm appreciating for the support and everything, you know. Like this day, it's different way day, but it's a kind of a busy day, you know. But I personally, like Brother Dagi, I will not let you down, guys, you know. So we are together, yeah, and believing like everything that we are doing, we are going to succeed, you know. So let's move it. Let's move it, guys. From my side, like Brother Dagi, for you, my people coming in to watch the video, enjoying the content, I'm appreciating from this side. Let me say thank you guys for coming. May God bless you, my subscribers, all of you. You're amazing people. And for the new one that they're joining the channel, stay in, my friend. Remember to subscribe, you know. Make me happy, man. Make me to grow, to reach 10,000 subscribers. Every single day, it's a new day. We are learning new things, guys, you know. Like, this is home. This is home where I'm coming from. And I promise you, like friends, I will never let you down. Let's push it together, pole, and we will reach where we need to be reached, guys, you know. Dream, you're worried, man, and then dream, it will become the reality. We are chasing it, the dream. So guys, have a good time, have a good day, have a good night for those people that are watching at night. Actually, guys, we are just fixing the wire mesh. And this is Mrdan254 official.
Yes, guys, welcome back to my YouTube, to Brother Dagi YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, like, and share. And today, I think like I can finish to construct the chicken coop. And in case you need to support, like and share. And brother, welcome to see the progressing. And this is the timber which I buy.
Yeah, this is the timber which we have bought here, guys. Yeah, so this is the wire mesh that we are just fixing here. This wire mesh, it will act like giving the oxygen inside the house when the chicken will be inside there. Yeah, we are going to use this wire mesh by giving the chicken the...
And here I have the wire which I'll put. After I put this wire, I put the timber, so it will be hard. Maybe a thief to come to steal.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the reality.
And I have my uncle here. You can talk.
Yeah, Uncle is around also. Uncle, how are you?
Fine, fine, guys. We are still on,
Yeah.
trying to finish up this one here.
Yes.
So you know, we check the new ventilation.
Yeah.
So that's why we're doing this as a ventilation chick mash.
Yes.
So we shall have another reinforcement. This one here, wire mash, will be a better one for protection now. Nobody can just go there and just steal these things. So that's why we're doing it. We're just finalizing and
Wow.
still not yet. Shall have some good flow down here.
Yes.
Yeah. It's wonderful, you guys.
It's wonderful. And also the mason is upside, guys. You can see. Say hello. Hello. Wow. The work is just moving on. You can see, guys. So this is the wire mesh. We're going to use like this way. Yeah. So we are out. This is what we are going to put here. Yeah. And this is the waxo. This is the waxo. This is the waxo here, over here, guys. You have seen? Yeah, here. Then this one, it's going to be used inside by separating the wall. Yeah, Mr. Dan, come. Yeah, my mom is here. Guys, today, I'm going to surprise my mom. Yeah, to make him to be proud woman in the village, you know. She is going to the school to check out my sister, Regina. Yeah, so a little bit, we are trying to fix things together. We are at home actually right now. Yeah, this is my mom, you know. Mrdan254 official, he's around. Mr. Dan, come. Yeah, Mr. Dan is here with my mom around here, you know. At least I want him to be the witness. Yeah. So, guys. Yeah.
I want you to go and inject my dog.
Yeah.
You see him?
Yeah. So, guys, we are here. We are trying to fix things together, you know. So.
This is my pocket money, all of the zero pocket money.
Guys, this is what, ma'am? How
Okay.
much that one?
This is 1K Kenya shilling.
1 Kenyan shilling. And this one?
2K,
2K. And this one?
3K,
3K. And this one?
4K.
4,000.
Wow.
Guys, this is a surprise to my mom. She didn't know, but we are
Our
making
two
him to
people,
be
in fact,
proud.
we are really congratulate what you are doing for us. So we are very happy. Tunaomba Mungu abariki watu wetu.
Yeah, my mom, she's rushing somewhere to go to see my sister in the school.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thank
my
you, thank
sister,
you.
the younger sister Regina. Mom, are you proud?
In fact, I'm proud.
What are you saying for someone who did this? Because the camera people that are watching right now.
I'm appreciative, and I saying God praise her and happy her more.
Okay, and you have
And
something to say?
smart
Yes.
because of their support.
Yes.
What
Guys.
you are continually showing my mom, I
My
appreciate.
family.
And
Surely
I
I'm
say, may
very
God bless you wherever you are and keep supporting us to reach our dream.
Thank you, bye bye. I'm
Sometimes-
late.
Yeah, my mom, she's late. She's running somewhere, guys. Yeah, and this is my younger brother, Mrdan254 official. We are here at home. Yeah, making things to happen, guys, like never before. Also, my uncle, she's around. Uncle, come say something. Yeah, come. Yeah, you know. Yeah, uncle, he's around.
Hey,
also.
Uncle!
You know,
Yeah, man.
this is my uncle
bless
here.
you.
Thank you,
Uncle,
sir.
what are you saying about this day?
It's quite a good day. A busy day, as you can see. We just appreciate you guys. we are trying to finish up this project. I still have more to do because if you look at it, we need some also some gutters.
Yes.
Yeah, because there will be a lot of flow of water from the sheets, iron sheets.
Wow.
So actually we are doing very well. We like your support. Keep us on and enable the channel.
Wow.
Yeah.
So guys, we thank you each and everyone, and then we are saying thank you guys by being together with us here in the village. God bless you in a million times. We are appreciating for the support and everything. So let's meet to the next video, and I want to say thank you to all of my viewers by watching the videos, supporting me, Brother Dagi, and my family. Mrdan254 official is around here, you know. But for me, I'm appreciating for those people that are supporting us in the village. The farm is just going well, guys, and soon maybe we are going to get the chicken inside, and we are going to show you the view and everything, you know. Mr. Dan, you have
Yes.
something?
Wait until they see what I will.
Wow. So guys, we want to say bye-bye for you. We will meet
Bye-bye.
the next video, guys. God bless you in a million times, and thank you guys by watching the videos, and bye-bye, our good people. One love to you.
Bye.
Yes.
Back into one. And that's dangerous also.